this is Jess Hay with Creative Cards to You. I am so glad you are here. Today I will show you how to make realistic looking lures for those masculine cards using alcohol inks. I am starting out with Yupo paper and using alcohol to move the inks. I chose Yupo because it was thinner than what I usually use and wanted to die cut with it. The inks are from Tim Holtz and are Sunshine Yellow, Valencia, Limeade, Botanical, Boysenberry, Wild Plum, Shell Pink, and Flamingo. I can't remember the blues, but I think it was Glacier. I wanted a range of colors for the lures. I'm sorry, but the bottom of the panel cut off when I was filming, but you can see most of the process. I used a piece of brown cardstock cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4. I put it in the spray box and put the fishnet stencil over it by Honeybee Stamps. I sprayed Vintage Photo Spritz over it and lifted it carefully. I didn't want to waste the spray on the stencil, so I put what was left over on a plain piece of cardstock. I set those aside to dry. I cut out the lures from Honeybee Stamps' Lovely Layer Lures, man, that's a mouthful, from the Yupo paper and the hooks from silver cardstock. I used a thin black cardstock to glue everything to it so it was more sturdy. Do you ever struggle to assemble die cuts with layers? I struggled mightily with these and had to watch other people putting them together on YouTube to get the hang of it. The struggle was real, as you can tell by my putting the hook on the wrong end. My dad is a total fisherman, and I'm sure he'd be giving me a hard time right now. I left my mistakes in so you can know that anything is fixable, and you aren't the only one who does it wrong the first time around. I used Seth Achter's French Toast embossing powder and the stamps from Honeybee Stamps Fishing Legend stamp set to make the net. I cut these letters with a Tim Holtz die set and put vintage photo distress ink on the raised edges of the letters to make them stand out, and stamped the Fishing Legend sentiment with Altenews Obsidian ink. I wanted to put the fly lure poking through the net for added interest, so I used my multi-purpose tool to poke a hole in it. I gently push the hook through the net, and I think it's a nice touch. I glued everything down with Bearly Arts liquid glue. I arranged the lures and decided to glue them and not put any foam underneath, as this card is going through the mail. There you have it, the completed card. This card could work for a Father's Day card or a birthday card. Thanks for watching. See you next time.